Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into two powerful concepts that can shape the success of any startup: the minimum viable product or MVP and the minimum lovable product or MLP. If you are entrepreneur, product developer or just someone curious about how startups succeed, this video will help you understand how to go from an idea to a product your users not only need but love. Let's get started. Let's start with MVP, minimum viable product. And MVP is the most basic version of a product that solves a real problem for users. It contains only the core features necessary to test a product hypothesis and get feedback from real users. The goal the goal is to launch quickly, learn fast, and minimize risk. Think of it as a way to validate whether people actually want what you are building without spending months or years perfecting a full fledged product. Example of MVPs include a basic landing page, a simple prototype, or even a manual version of a service you are planning to automate. Imagine you want to start a food delivery app. Instead of building a complex app with GPS tracking and payment gateways, you start with a WhatsApp group, a list of restaurants, and a person delivering food. That's an MVP. You observe user behavior, get feedback, and understand what's working and what's not. Based on this, you iterate and improve. Now, let's talk about MLP, Minimum Lovable Product. While an MVP aims to be functional and MLP aims to delight, it still focuses on core features, but it also includes elements that create emotional engagement with users. Why does that matter? Because in a competitive market, people don't just choose a product that works, they choose a product they connect with. And MLP is the product that you early adopters not only find useful but also enjoy using. It generates word of mouth, builds brand loyalty, and fuels organic growth. Let's compare the two. MVP is about viability. Can it work or not? MLP is about lovability. Will users fall in love with it or not? And MVP is the bare minimum to test your data, and MLP is the simplest form of your product that make users excited. MVP helps you gather feedback. MLP helps you retain users and grow a community. Both are essential, but they are serve different purpose in a startup journey. So, to build a solid MVP, first we have to identify the core problem. Then we have to choose the simplest feature set to solve it. After that, we have to create a prototype or demo and then launch quickly. After launching, we have to collect user data and iterate it fast. After iteration, our work is done. The key is to stay lean and keep learning. Now let's talk about how to build an MLP. Once your MVP gets traction, it's time to build your MLP. Identify what your early users love the most. Focus on polishing those experiences. Add delightful touches, smoother UX, better design, and personal touches. Now strengthen emotional connection, brand story, visuals, or tone of voice. ML, MLP is all about making users feel heard, seen, and valued. Now let's discuss about some example from the industry. Some of the biggest companies start up with MVPs and evolve into livable products are Instagram started as a simple photo sharing app. Dropbox launched with basic video explaining their concept before the product even existed. And once validated, they enhance the experience to keep users hooked. That's when MVP became MLP. Now, here are some final tips. Don't fall in love with your idea, fall in love with the problem you are solving. Test fast, fail fast, learn faster. Focus on user feedback. Let your users guide your next move. Remember, a lovable product isn't built in a day, it's built through empathy, feedback, and iteration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more contents on startup, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Thank you.